Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I've got the ZT0562 in a sprint run factory special series here with me for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's check this out. Let's unbox this guy over here. This is classic Hinder designed 0562BLGRY, so which means blue and gray knife. So the box just contains, of course, your classic ZT leaflet, some bubble wrap, and you've got, of course, your ZT0562 knife. This is a Hinder design knife, as you can tell, and this guy, for example, is gonna be around 8.2 inches overall in length, with a 3.5-inch long blade and a close to 5-inch long handle. So it's not a small knife, but it's not like even huge. For example, do you see any similarities? Yeah, of course. This guy is designed by the same guy that designed this one, which is a Brick Hinderer, and it's a very interesting one. I already reviewed it, so this is just like just a quick update because this is a sprint run, so it's a little bit cooler than the other guy that I reviewed, but it's the same thing basically. What changes here? It's this blue carbon fiber scale and this coated 20CV steel right over here. That's why it says gray, because this blade is gray. It has a PDV coating going on, and it's affecting a little bit the action. So I think this is not as smooth as the other one, but maybe just because this is brand new, so maybe it needs a little bit of break-in period, but it's the same thing. I mean, it's classic titanium frame. Oh, and also, by the way, the back also is coated. You see the lock side, it's a nice titanium, but it's coated as well. Nice nice finish, like gunmetal kind of color. So it's cool, I have to say. It looks very, very good. Also, what I have to say about this guy is that, of course, carbon fiber scale, nicely done. I mean, it's not the nicest looking carbon fiber, because, for example, if you want to see a nice looking carbon fiber, you check this guy out. This is a good marble carbon fiber. This is an okay carbon fiber. This is a good quality carbon fiber right there. This is okay. I mean, it's not ideal, but still, it is what it is. I also like the coating on the blade. It's very nicely done. I don't know how much durable it is because this guy is just brand new. So I need to check that out, the resistance of this one. So titanium frame lock, we said, with stainless steel lock face insert, over travel, lock bar extension right over here, deep carry pocket clip, nicely done. I really like this pocket clip. 4 standoffs going on over here, nicely pillared construction, super solid, 100%. You have great ergos. It's beautifully designed, guys. This feels like awesome in the hand. If you do a reverse grip, a little bit less because you've gotta have like this clip in the way, but in the regular position, guys, this feels fantastic in the hand. Great jimping going on. You've got a nice blade shape, 30% belly, straight edge, stock thickness is a little bit on the thick side, but still it's going to be a nice slicer, nice flat grind up to here. Very strong tip, 20 CV steel. It's spot on, it's good to go. For sure. So I would say that I would confirm everything I said in my previous review. I would also confirm like a couple nitpicks that I still have with this knife, which I bought several times. So, I mean, flipper tab, it's not ideal. You don't design a flipper tab like that. So there's no chamfering and it's in the wrong orientation. So just flip it 180 degrees and you're gonna have the perfect flipper tab, which is this, guys. This is like fantastic for light switch. and fantastic for push button. You're not gonna have any finger sore whatsoever, and you have some jimping, so nice traction. This guy doesn't have any jimping, doesn't have any chamfering. It's oriented like in a position where you can't really do like a push button. You just have to do like a light switch, like so. And that is one. The number two issue on this knife is the detent ball ramp. So the detent ball is this far, so this is the angle you see, like this, which illustrates how far the detent ball is from the tang of the blade. So when I disengage the lock bar, I have this, all right? And right over here, because there's no detent ball ramp, the blade doesn't want to fall. Actually, it's likely to snap up in the open position. So there is no, for example, like in this case, there's not, see, I'm disengaging the lock bar. The detent ball ramp in this case is just right already on the tang, and this is the closing action, which is fantastic. In this case, no. You need to overcome that, and because there's no detent ball ramp, it has to be like this, in this position, to be able to close the knife. So, which means that there's no area here for your thumb to be, because your thumb is here. That's the place where your thumb needs to be to disengage the lock bar. So you have actually to disengage the lock bar right at the end over here, so that you see, like, the blade goes down, and then you can do this. So that's my nitpick for this guy. Just move the detent ball in another place, or do something else, because that is a little bit annoying, you see. That's not ideal. But everything else works pretty well. I mean, the price is decent. This guy is going to be $280, so not cheap for sure, but you've got carbon fiber, titanium frame lock, you've got a lot of things going on, the coating, the 20 CV, over travel, the lock face insert, deep carry pocket clip, like 4 pillars. I mean, there's a lot of things going on, so I can say that the price is right, but there's a couple of things that needs to be taken care of, because that's just my opinion. So, I mean, overall, this is a very, very cool knife. It's a pretty iconic ZT. I would say probably the one of the best ZT out there. Nice hinder designed piece, and I kind of like it. I like the look, I like the sound, I love the feel, but there's a couple issues that I would love for ZT to fix. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.